Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. Before we start, just a quick reminder, check the description after watching this video. I added the helpful links, tools and latest updates there. If anything changes or if I find something new, I will update in the description. So don't forget to take a look after watching this video. Alright, let's talk about VidIQ and TubeBuddy and which one can help you to grow your YouTube channel faster. You might be asking, which one should I use, VidIQ or TubeBuddy? Both of them say they can help you to grow your channel. Both of them gives you tools like keyword, research, video idea, SEO tips or more. But if you cannot use both or if you want to choose one, which one is better for you? Well, I have used both VidIQ and TubeBuddy. Let me tell you what I felt. First, VidIQ feels more modern. The interface a bit cleaner and easier to use. It gives you a daily video ideas that shows you trending topics and also help you to understand competitors, like what kind of videos they are posting and how they are doing. I really like the keyword score in VidIQ. When you type a keyword, it shows how many people are searching for it and how hard it is to rank for that. So you can find the smart topics that are not too hard but still popular. Now TubeBuddy also has the keyword tools, but sometimes it feels a little more old style, especially the design. But the good part is TubeBuddy gives you more deep SEO tools like A/B testing, thumbnails, tag explorer and health reports. One special thing about TubeBuddy is the A/B testing. You can test two thumbnails and see which one gets more click. That's really useful if you care about getting better CTR, which is click-through rate. VidIQ doesn't have that feature in the same way. For beginners, I think VidIQ is easier to start with. It gives you quick idea and shows you step-by-step tips. For more advanced users who want to test deeply and experiment more, TubeBuddy is also a strong choice. But honestly, both tools are helpful and both have free versions. So you can actually try both for free and see which one feels better for your style. Some people like the data style in VidIQ, some like the tools in TubeBuddy. In my case, I started with VidIQ because it helped me to understand better and faster. Later, I tried TubeBuddy when I need deeper thumbnail and tag testing. You can do the same. So final word is, there is no one tool that can help you 100% better. Both are good. But if you want quick growth and beginner friendly help, VidIQ you can try. If you want more advanced testing and deep SEO control, TubeBuddy can be a better choice for you. Anyway, I added the links for both VidIQ and TubeBuddy in the description, so go and check them out. Try for free version at first and decide what feels good for your YouTube journey. And I also put the latest update and deals there if are available. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section which one you like or if you use both. See you in the next video.